Hello, my name is Mike Goodman from HF Scientific, and I'm pleased to introduce you to the Air Sentinel. The Air Sentinel was designed to be a direct replacement for the Cyclops controller that we were using, without the need for this large external vent. During this brief film, I will introduce you to the Air Sentinel and its characteristics. Thank you for taking your time to view this. An inspection of the Air Sentinel shows that it is IECEx approved and has passed UL, CSA, and CE testing. The air vent is on top. Looking at it from the side view, there are some LEDs. The first one is for pressure, the second one is for timer, and the third one is for bypass. These operate both green and red. Red conditions are bad, green conditions are good. There is also a bypass key that can be turned into a bypass position, allowing the instrument to operate. On the back are the connections: the power input, the power output, and these terminal blocks can be removed for easy connection. It is important that after reinserting the connections that they are tightened. There are 2 tightening screws on each connection block. There are input ports. This one is used for the output of the optics to allow for the ventilation. This one is the main measurement port. In this clip you can see the Air Sentinel cell where all the Air Sentinels are manufactured. The picture over here shows 6 Air Sentinels that have been encapsulated and are currently curing. And Sarah is testing an Air Sentinel that she has previously assembled and programmed. Welcome to the HF test lab. This is the engineering lab at HF Scientific, and I've set up a CLX EX with the Air Sentinel, and this is the operating without air. So we have the purge light on, the pressure light and the timer light. The bypass is not on at this time, and I'm going to introduce air to it. When it sees air, the pressure light goes green, the timer light stays red, indicating that a 5-minute purge must take place before it turns green. I'll pick this video back up again after the light has changed. Okay, as you can see, the light has turned green, and all conditions are go. This is hopefully the normal operating system for the instrument. As you may have heard, the vortex just turned off, I believe, or on, one or the other. It changed conditions, but everything is still green. Now, were somebody to open up the enclosure, as I'm about to do, you will see that the power is off to the instrument. And the pressure light turns red, and the timer light turns red also. The bypass at this time is green, indicating that it's not in the bypass condition. If I now insert the bypass key, and listen to bypass, the bypass light also turns red, and power is applied to the instrument. At this time, reagents can be changed, the key strainer can be cleaned, any other maintenance work can continue to be done. So I'm going to close up the enclosure again. Now, the assumption was that since somebody was out here working on this instrument, they had actually tested the environment, and it was checked. So at this time, since I'm in the bypass mode, the timer was bypassed. This did not require the 5 minutes. So if I turn this instrument to the normal mode, the bypass turns green. So power is applied to the instrument at this time. So keep this in mind, that the timer can be bypassed by using the bypass key. And I think that just about concludes our videos. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact me or HF Scientific. Thank you very much for watching our brief video on the Air Sentinel. If you have any further questions, I can be reached at michael.goodman@wattswater.com. Thank you.